Hi, fellas. This is your boy Emmanuel. So I just received my parts for um, 2.5 inch rough country um, lift with the coil spacers, and also my dual stabilizers. And I am so glad. As you already know, the COVID, I'm gonna be installing these things myself on my Jeep 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. So stay tuned for more of these videos. So this is the unboxing of the 2.5 inch rough country suspension system. Just got it today. So excited to install it on my 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Since all shops has been closed due to this COVID, I have to do it myself. So the instruction says, I think, 4 hours, but however, it'll probably take me 6 hours to get this thing installed. Since this is my first time doing this, I'm not a mechanic, but I'll try my best. So I use these pair of bodies. All right, so let's see what comes in the box. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I believe these are the coil spacers. Oh my God. This is really, really heavy. That's for the 2.5 inch lift coil spacers. So I guess that's the only thing in this huge box. All right. So let's see, these might be the shocks and the rest of the stuff. Okay. Let's see if there are any damages, because some people in some reviews have been showing that, when they receive their shocks and components from rough country, it sometimes busted. I'm just trying to make sure this is good to go, so that if I have any complaints, I can go ahead and make it. All right, so let's see what's in this box. Opening that way. I guess I have to remove the sides. Oh Lord. Okay. This side too. This one is already damaged. So that's good. Okay. One more. However. Okay. So let's see what we got. All right. So, these are the, I believe the bomb stops and links and the shocks. Okay, so we have the shocks packaged underneath. Okay. Well, I don't see any damage to this. It says made in China. Well, so I guess this is it. So that comes with the Rough Country 2.5-inch suspension kit. All right, so far, gosh, it is hard work doing this, installing this 2.5 coil spacers and shocks. It's very difficult if you're doing it by yourself, but however you can do it. So far, I've been able to get one of the springs in the rear. I started from the rear. When I'm done, I go to the front, and I know the front will be easy because this is my first time doing it. So however, you know, I'm working throughout the night. Currently it's 1:30 a.m. So hopefully by 6 a.m. I'll be done, and then I'll go to bed. That's the plan. So now I gotta remove the shocks before I'm able to remove the I gotta remove the shocks, sway bar, before I'll be able to get the springs. So I'll let y'all know when I'm done with the rear installation. All right, fellas, almost done. I'm done with the rear, the back. So just going over, make sure everything is seated properly. Yep. Now I gotta put the wheels back on. The rear is done. I gotta move to the front, and complete the front. All right. Keep y'all updated when the front is complete. Alright guys, so now I'm done with the install, and this is I have the 17-inch raceline wheels wrapped around with Renegade 35-inch all-terrain tires and sitting on 2.5-inch rough country lift. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.